everybody, welcome back to Story Time with Miss Megan and Miss Stephanie, who's behind the camera again this week. We're really excited that all of you have been joining us. So this week at Story Time we talked about voting, and we had ourselves a little election. We had to choose if we liked Pete the cat or Clifford the big red dog better, and you guys did an awesome job turning in your ballots, and it was so much fun. So what we wanted to do today is make yourself a little I voted ribbon. So in your bags you should have a big white circle, a printed and colorless voted circle, and two pieces of paper, one blue and one red. So what we're going to do is first we're going to color our sticker, and I have already colored one just to save some time in our video. Ta-da! So once you've colored your sticker, you're going to take some glue and rub it all over the back. And you're going to stick your I voted sticker to your big white circle to give it a nice background, like that. Then you'll take each of your ribbons, and if you don't want to use both of your ribbons, you don't have to. This is your sticker. You can do it however you want. And you're going to put a little glue on the top and stick one right there on the back. And then a little glue on the top of the other one if you want to use it. And stick it right there on the back. And just like that, you have an I voted ribbon to show that you voted in our election. We look forward to seeing all of you guys at our next story time, which will be on October 27th at 10:30 behind the library with Miss Megan and Miss Stephanie. And our subject for next time will be Halloween. It's one of my favorite times of year. I hope we see you all there. Bye, guys.